So whenever this little 12-year-old girl is like, "Hey, Bucky, I did this, I did that," I can go ahead and like this, and it won't update the entire web page. It'll just update that little section right there. So another thing that it does is I'll show you guys some other examples later, but that's basically what AJAX is. It allows you to communicate with your server while the user is still on the web page without interrupting their experience. And another couple cool examples is, say you wanted to, go to Google and look for a web page. Say you want to type in the new. This is AJAX. This is, excuse me, AJAX that you see right here. All this information of the new, it isn't stored on your computer. What this is doing is it's actually communicating with a server, and as you type in your query, it's going to the server, it's getting new information, guessing about what you're going to type in, and whenever it has those guesses, it displays them on your web page. So every time you type in something, your web page isn't, refreshing. It's actually just updating this little small portion right under your input box. And the last thing I want to show you guys is way back when, what you needed to do whenever you submitted a form or signed up for a web page is you basically needed to submit all your information, your ID, and this is just eBay right here, your ID, your password, your security question and answer, and you submitted it, and then it went ahead to the server and it was like, "Oh, dude, sorry, someone already had the ID." Well, then you need to type everything in again, and it was a real pain in the butt. So say that what's a common name, Ashley or something. Say that you want to use the name Ashley, and then we're filling in your password right there. Well, actually, at the same time as you were filling in the rest of the form, what was happening behind the scenes is that eBay was using AJAX to take this name and send it to the server, check whether or not it was taken, and then give you the answer. So before you even submit that data, eBay is already telling you, "Dude, that name is available and you're a guy, so why would you even want to use the name Ashley?" So that is a couple things that AJAX allows you to do. Now for this tutorial series, I just want to mention that you're going to need to know a couple programming languages. And first of all, PHP and JavaScript are, basically AJAX is JavaScript and XML, so you need to know those. But I'm also going to be making websites as examples, so you need HTML, and I'm also going to be using PHP. So if you don't know all of those, HTML, PHP, JavaScript, and XML, then you can probably get by because I'm going to be explaining everything briefly as we go along. So don't worry, but if you what I would recommend doing anyways is actually going in. If you don't know one of those, then just go ahead and go to my website, watch the videos, and you'll be good to go. So hopefully you understand basically why people started using AJAX and why it's useful and why it solves a lot of the problems that you use on web pages nowadays. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut up and I'm going to start making some awesome examples, and in the next couple tutorials I'm going to show you guys how to set up and build a very simple program or web page using AJAX. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.